Hey beauties! So I'm coming on with just a little bit of virtual makeup here. You know how it is. We want to look the best when we're presenting. But I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you for your response to my newly launched website. Well, relaunched because it's not very new. I've had it for a couple of years ago, but it had laid dormant due to life getting in the way, but I just relaunched it recently. The Blessed and Highly Favored cosmetic line, geared towards women of faith to encourage and uplift and to remind you of who you are and whose you are, right? As the colors will represent some of your identities as more than a conqueror, overcomer, and blessed and highly favored. So I just want to just come on this platform and just say thank you to all of you who have been with me in the past, who have just reached out to me and blessed me financially. I want you all to know, especially the reason for the relaunch is to let you all know that your donations did not go in vain. You all believing in me a couple of years ago when I launched this website, believing in me, just donating to me funds, money for me to get this website up and running, and then life got in the way, right? Illness, this, that, and the other. But hey, I'm coming back. You know, when you fall down, you dust yourself off, and get back up and keep it rolling, right? So I really believe in the vision of this cosmetic line. This cosmetic line is to encourage you on a daily basis, those who wear the colors, those who are experiencing the skincare, the hair care, as I will be having items on the website for men as well, beard oil and things of that nature. But I just wanted to say thank you for the purchases made this week. Thank you so much. Thank you for those who reached out as to wanting to be a model for the cosmetic line. Thank you so incredibly much. Here's the blessing associated with the website. 5% of quarterly revenue will go towards blessing a mother and a child in a domestic violence shelter. So especially this upcoming Christmas season, whatever purchases are made, 5% of the total revenue will go towards blessing a mom and a child in a domestic violence shelter this Christmas season. So be advised that your purchases will be a blessing to a mom that has been a victim of domestic violence. Once again, I just want to say thank you so very much for your amazing support. I will be adding things to the website daily, so keep looking out for the daily updates. Also, go back over to the website. If you didn't have a chance to sign up to the email list, go ahead and sign up to the email list. There's a form there for you to sign up. You can get 10% off your total purchase. For those who already made purchases and was not able to get the 10% off because of the delay of me placing the form on the site, I'm going to send you over some goodies, okay? I'm going to give you some freebies with your order. So thank you once again for your support, and look out for all the new updates that's coming to the website on a daily basis. It's just going to be so amazing. Thank you once again, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Bye for now.